Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to configure a funnel chart widget in a dashboard in Bold BI. A funnel chart helps you visualize a linear process that has sequential connected stages. The data has to be sequential and move through at least 4 stages. The funnel chart can be used when the number of items in the first stage is expected to be greater than the number in the final stage. You can use a funnel chart to calculate potential figures such as revenue, sales, etc. by stages. It can also be used to track conversion and retention rates. Often, funnel charts are used to reveal bottlenecks in a linear process. They can also be used to track shopping cart workflows and the progress and success of click-through advertising or marketing campaigns. Let's get into configuring the funnel chart widget. The dashboard is in edit mode, and it provides an overall view of a company's hiring process, along with important HR KPIs and metrics. Here, the recruitment funnel chart widget represents the stages in the recruitment process and the proportion of applicants in each stage. Now, I am going to recreate this widget for you in real time. Drag and drop the funnel chart into the canvas and resize it to your liking. The funnel chart needs a minimum of 1 value element and 1 column element to showcase. Here I have added the count of application IDs under the measure section and the application status in the dimension section. For the application status column, I am going to apply sorting based on the application ID field and choose to sort by ascending order. Then, I will apply ranking to the widget, which showcases the top applicants' statuses based on applicant count. The chart is rendered as follows, and the value will be visualized as a percentage since we have chosen the percentage in the data label. Next, we will update the color of the funnel chart by utilizing the conditional formatting feature. We have successfully recreated the widget. There are default properties that are applied while configuring the widget. You can also utilize it based on your need. You can hover on the widget and see the number of employees in each stage of recruiting, from applied to hired. Let's see the funnel chart in another dashboard example. Here I have added a sales activities dashboard that provides a detailed breakdown of a sales team's work. The pipeline stages funnel chart widget shows the stages in the process to win a deal, and it shows what % of total deals have passed to the next stage in the last 6 months. This widget is completely configured with expression columns where the Pipedrive sequential data is filtered into stages by using formulas. I will show you how we achieve the contact made stage expression. On the Data Source Designer of the Pipedrive Deals data source, under Expression Designer, the contact made expression is achieved by excluding deals lost at the qualified stage. Likewise, we have created expressions for all the other stages from the Pipedrive data to use in the funnel chart. Next, let's look at the pipeline stages to win a deal. From 43 qualified deals, 38 were converted to the contact made stage, and a further 36 deals made it to a scheduled demo. From these demos scheduled deals, 26 converted to proposal made. Next, negotiation started for 23 deals, and finally 19 deals won, for a win rate of 44%. This is an example of utilizing a funnel chart to showcase values at different stages of a process where the values gradually decrease. Please leave a comment with any questions you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.